Hello everyone, I am Himanshu and one of my student has asked me how to create a two label list. What he actually means is that this is the data, very rough data it is being. Anyways, so what he wants that if we are making a selection in the first list about the country, that say they belong to like India or Australia or England, and in the second one the option of players are coming. Now if they have made the selection of India, then all player name should not come, only Indian player name should come in the list, and according to the selection of India and the player, the type should come, whether the player is a batsman or a bowler or an all-rounder. Okay, so how to do that? First of all, I've created a list here by going to data validation. How to do that? Click over here where you need to give the option of a country, then data, click on data validation. From here select list, and in the source I've selected this particular cell, right? So the options of country is coming. The next option of player, according to what the country what's the country name has been selected, need to become. So how to do that? When so there's a trick in this. Here is the list of players that need to become in the second level list. So I will do the selection of Indian players up till here, and I will give this particular name because this is coming in the first list. So same name, same spelling without any space. Okay, how to do that? Go there in the name box, here it is, and give it a name, India. Okay, then I have done the selection up till here, and I will give the same name, which is AUS, stand for Australia. Okay, and the last one is England. Okay, done. So it will serve the purpose, I believe. Okay, the next thing that I need to do is to be in this particular cell where the second level list need to become. So what I will do as a trick, I will go there and click on data validation. I will select the list option once again. Here is the source, and as a source I need to select this particular cell. Now this particular cell means it will come only A3, so it will not serve the purpose right now, but I'm doing this A3. Okay, so nothing, because in A3 there's nothing written, but what I wanted actually, whatever written in A3, let's say it's India, then here accordingly the option should come, but here it's coming only India, not the list of India. So I will apply a very smart function known as indirect. What indirect do actually? Indirect will tell you the value of a cell which you have given. Let's say I have typed indirect. Okay, and as a reference text I have given Sehwag is in cell C4, in a quotation I have given C4. So it will give the value of that cell. Now the good thing is that here I have given it C4, and C4 can be written in any way. It's not necessarily that you have written exactly the C4. You might be using a match function or some other method through which you are getting the name of this particular cell. It has to be in quotation, and it will give the value of the cell which you are referring to. So I will make use of it, and here I will go to data validation once again, and in front of it I will apply indirect function, indirect. Okay, fine, put it in bracket and press OK. Now it will serve the purpose. Here the India has been selected, and because we have defined the name of India and we have defined the cell range which has to be in India, which are the list of players actually. So here you can see the list of players are coming. here it's Australia, and Australia list is coming. Now the next thing that need to be done is that if Australian pointing, I've selected the type which need to become here is batsman or a bat, whichever is written over here. So for that I am making a bit of change in this data. It is possible to do it without the change, but the process is going to be lengthy. I want to keep it as simple as possible, so I will give it a name of combine, and I will do the concatenation a simple way, that is this one and this particular cell value. So concatenation is happening. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. And the next thing that need to be done is to apply a Vlookup function. Vlookup, now lookup value is the combination of this one and this one, so here I will apply a concatenation function. Concatenate function is the same thing which I have done through ampersand sign. So concatenate text1 is this one, comma text2 is this one. Okay, now this is the lookup value. Table array, I will go to data and I will do the selection from here because these things are not required. So done, and it's not being required to make it constant because we are not going to drag it, so let's keep it in the way which right now it is being, and comma, and now the column index number, is I've made the selection from here, so this is the column number 1, this is the column number 2. I want the column number 2 value, so column index number is going to be 2. And what kind of match I want to do? I want to do false, which is an exact match. Okay, that's it. It will serve the purpose, and there we go. Let's say I've made the selection of England, and here the selection is like 2 options are coming only, Flintoff, and which is an all-rounder. Now one problem, again you have seen, if I made the selection of India here, then #NA, a value error is coming. Whenever a wrong selection is happening, I want some message to come, so for that I'm going to this particular function and applying if error. In case of error, I want do the right selection. I want this message to come. I will do the copy because it will be required. I've copied that text. Okay, fine. Now in case of error it's coming, and I want this to come in a red text and red light fill also, so I will go to home because not every time I want that. If the selection has been made properly, then that red color should not come, so I will apply a conditional formatting here, and we'll go to highlight cell rules, text that contains or equal to, also I can give equal to, and if the cell value is equal to this particular text, then I want light red fill with dark red text. It's absolutely fine. And hopefully it should come. There's something wrong, let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, I think the problem is that I have given the quotation which is not been required, because yes. Okay, fine. Let's remove the quotation. Okay, another quotation. Okay, fine. Apply it. Okay, done. Now if I made the selection India and the proper selection is, let's say, Kohli, then batsman is coming, which is right. And if I made the selection once again of Australia, and in Australia Kohli is not the player, so to the right selection is coming, and here I have made the right selection, then it's coming batsman. So this is just the basic. This is how you can create a list, a two label list, and there are plenty of things you can do. And for any concern and query, just comment, and I will try to answer all the valid questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.